A Darling Library tutorial. Using PubMed, benefits of adding LibKey Nomad as a browser extension. Part 1 of 3. You may want to add the Nomad extension to your browser. Some of these benefits appear in other databases as well, including Google Scholar. Go to https://thirdiron.com/download-nomad. Pick your browser at the bottom of the page. It takes 30 seconds to a minute to install. Pick HIU from the drop-down. Some of the benefits are access to more articles, easier access to articles, access to the entire issue of a journal. It may be a special issue on that topic. Check the page for the green flame. More of our tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel. Just search for HIU Library.